First, we introduce the linear search algorithm. It is considered as a straightforward approach for the search problem. Description of the linear search algorithm. Given as input an array A of n elements and an element X, scan the entries in A one by one, starting from the first element, and compare each entry with X. If after J comparisons, where J is between 1 and n inclusive, the search is successful, i.e., X was at location J in the array A, J is returned. Otherwise, a value of 0 is returned to indicate an unsuccessful search. It is called linear search as the maximum number of element comparison grows linearly with the size of the sequence. This method is also referred to as sequential search. The linear search algorithm is shown as algorithm linear search in the next slide.